Snow drifts slow, lanterns glow, pine trees whisper what they know. Footsteps fade, quiet parade, a world wrapped in a frosted cascade. Cozy December nights wrapped in soft golden lights. By the fire, dreams take flight. Cozy December nights. Cocoa steam, moonlight gleam, windows frost with a painter's dream. Scarves and hats, old wool flats, chilly air where the warmth combats. Candles flicker, hearts beat quicker, the clock ticks slow, winter's ticker. Cozy December nights wrapped in soft golden lights. By the fire, dreams take flight. Cozy December nights. Volumes hum, a melody spun, saxophone whispers soft as the sun. Gentle hands brush the drum's embrace, holiday bells add a warm, sweet grace. Frost on the window, whispers in the air, fireplace crackling, love fills the chair. Scarves hang loose, the night unfolds, every breath taken feels dipped in gold. Snowfall serenade, soft and slow, candles flicker in the afterglow. Wrapped in warmth, the world at bay. This is the magic of a holiday. Shadows waltz on the wooden floor, echoes of laughter give me more. Teacups steaming, hearts align, every clock tick tastes like wine. Silver sleigh bells hum in the breeze, moonlight dances through the trees. A moment caught, no time to lose, winter's hymn in every muse. Snowfall serenade, soft and slow, candles flicker in the afterglow. Wrapped in warmth, serenade, we're finally home.
Fire hums a mellow tune, a crescent moon, a silver spoon, stockings sway on the mantle high, dreams unwrap beneath the sky. Under the mistletoe glow, where time drifts soft and hearts just know. The snow may fall, the wind may blow, but love is warm under the mistletoe. Candles flicker, shadows play, echoes dance of a holiday. Saxophone croons low and sweet, while joy and peace in whispers meet. Every bell a memory rings, each note the season softly brings. Time drifts soft and hearts just know. The snow may fall, the wind may blow, but love is warm under the mistletoe. Oh, the clock may chime, the night may fade, but magic lingers unafraid. A fleeting moment, yet we stay bound by the warmth of Christmas Day.
Snowflakes drift, a quiet parade. Pine trees dress in icy brocade. Frosted windows, candles light, a symphony of winter's night. Winter's glow, it wraps us tight in the hush of a velvet night. The world slows down, the stars align underneath this glow divine. Footsteps crunch on powdered streets, echoes hum where silence meets. Scarves and whispers laughter low, a dance beneath the moonlit snow. Faint bells chime a sweet refrain, the melody of joy remains. Winter's glow, it wraps us tight in the hush of a velvet night. The world slows down, the stars align underneath this glow divine. Sip of cider, fire's embrace, warmth we find in time and space. Midnight swings with saxophone, a moment's peace, we're not alone.
Snow whispers secrets to the street. Lampposts hum where lovers meet. Chill in the air, warm